Landmark collaboration aims to modernize agricultural practices across 10 lakh acres. Thanos Technologies, a leader in agricultural drone technology, has announced a significant collaboration with the Indian Farmers Fertiliser Cooperative Ltd. IFFCO. This partnership, formalized through a Memorandum of Agreement (MOA), marks a transformative step in modernizing farming practices across India. Agricultural drones in India. The initiative will see Thanos Technologies facilitate aerial spraying of fertilizers over 10 lakh acres of farmland in regions including Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Utilizing over 500 state-of-the-art drones, this extensive deployment aims to optimize the fertilization process, improve crop yields, and reduce resource wastage. The collaboration will engage prominent drone service providers such as Vayu Drone, Aerotics Technologies, and Electra Agri Green, aiming to deliver significant value and innovation to the agricultural sector. The project is expected to have a substantial economic impact, with an estimated business value of 50 Indian rupees crores for Thanos Technologies and its service partners. Additionally, Thanos Technologies will provide incentives to supplement the standard spraying service charges collected for each acre sprayed using IFFCO chemicals. This move is designed to encourage the participation of service providers in this groundbreaking project. Recognizing the need for investment in advanced technology, Thanos Technologies is also developing financial options to assist corporate service partners in owning and operating more than 10 drones. These options are intended to support scaling operations and meet growing demand. Mr. Pradeep Palalil, founder and CEO of Thanos Technologies, stated, "We are excited to partner with IFFCO, and this marks a significant step towards our mission to modernize farming practices, increase crop yields, and promote sustainable agriculture. At Thanos Technologies, we aim to create a more efficient, productive, and sustainable agricultural ecosystem for the benefit of farmers and the nation as a whole. Through this partnership, we hope to combine resources, knowledge, and ambition to completely reshape the agricultural landscape of India." Thanos Technologies is the first agricultural drone design and manufacturing company in India.